Hey guys, what's up? My name is Zane. I am a digital trades contractor working on the WitWizard project. So what is the WitWizard project? Well, the WitWizard project is an AI assistant writer. It's an AI writer that you can use for virtually any job, and how it is built is interesting to me. I'll show you why you should check this out over any of the big dogs. Maybe even switch from some of them. Anyway, there are two main reasons I like this AI. First off is their privacy policy. Unlike most of the AIs out there, they are designed to collect your chats and be sold on the market to ad distributors or other corporations or whatever. With WitWizard, however, you have the power to delete all of your chats from not only the screen, but their database. They make a claim to protect your privacy and not sell your information. Secondly, is how you can control the responses. So, there are different things that you can do on this application that allow you to have a customized personality or customized brain for your AI. And that's interesting. So, I'm going to open up the settings here. And as you can see, we have a few little tools to play around with. So the first one is the most complex one. This is the character. So what the character is it's basically the personality shell of the AI. So right here I have it set to Professor, so it's going to behave in a more serious matter, more serious tone. Then they have a bunch of different options. I believe they have some friendly ones. They have like a teacher. They have a bunch of different things. So you can use them for anything you may need, any character writing. Second little setting here is humor level, which basically determines how smart or stupid your response is going to be. So if you want a completely serious person, you're going to hit no humor, and then if you want everything, weird or whatever you want to call it, you select every sentence should be funny. The third option we have here is word count, and that is, well, pretty self-explanatory, I hope. The creativity level is basically how much the AI will pay attention to your prompt. So the lower the creativity, the more it will stick onto your topic, and the higher, the more things it'll add into. So let's get this rolling here. Let's do a little experiment. I'm gonna keep it as Professor, and professors are usually humor business people. So we're gonna go in, we're gonna hit, you know what, no, I'll do 90 words, and then creativity level, let's see what happens if there we go, just bring it up a little bit. And then I'm gonna, there we go. Let's generate a response. Okay, so with the Professor, obviously you can see it's a no-nonsense thing. He tells you everything that you need, and then please inform me as soon as possible. Yep, okay. So, very serious right here. But then if we go into the decision-making here, we change it to friend. And then I'm going to add every sense. And then keep these options separate. We're going to go in here and we're going to paste the same question. And as you can see with friend, so here's my same question, different settings. Look at how long this is compared to that. So that's pretty cool. You can change up the AI a bit. So let's go to account here, and let's show you another feature I like. Okay, right here, this. Now, why would I like the fact that it's easy to delete an account? Well, again, like most corporations, they don't want you to leave, so they make unnecessary hoops you have to jump through to delete an account. But with WitWizard, all you have to do is click a button. It'll say, are you sure? You click that button, and then it's gone. No verification work, no nothing. It's simple and easy for the user, and I very much like that. So if we go back here, another thing that I like is, again, with most things, they tend to rely on community pages for help, and then you're scrolling forever. But with this help page, look at this. This is all, like, neat. You have all of the help you need right here. No large forums. And then I know I talked about this already, however, I'm going to show you. So see here, we can delete. And again, it does not just disappear from the screen. It disappears from the database itself. And that is very, very useful to me as a user. One last thing I would like to point out is their price tag. They're one of the cheapest AIs on the market, if not the cheapest, with a price tag of only $5 for a week. You can get that even cheaper by using my promo code ZaneCrew, that is ZANECREW, to get 40% off the already low price of WitWizard. Now, that's been the showcase of WitWizard. Hopefully you guys check it out.